Uveze kuyisona umliso okhuluma kule video ngokuthi ngo-2017-2018 ungomunye wabantu ababelwela ukuthi uPresident Jacob Zuma akhishwe as upresident ebese kufakwa uCyril Ramaphosa, and futhi uthi wakuthokozela lokho ngenkathi sekufaka uCyril Ramaphosa. Kodwa uthi uyabona ukuthi wenze elikhulu iphutha ukuthi efuna ukuthi ekhishwe uPresident Jacob Zuma ngoba ziningi izathu ezifakazela lokho. Ubese aqhathanisa isimo somnotho kusaphethe uPresident Jacob Zuma waqhathanisa nesimo somnotho kuphethe uCyril Ramaphosa.
Ukuthi who of you abafana nami yabo 2018 2017 abaya estradini went to street fighting for the removal of President Jacob Zuma? Who of you ababesijoinile when we felt to President Jacob Zuma was not fit to run this country? He was the worst president we had, and he was the corrupt president. Kwase kuvela ukuthi kukhona ne-issue ye-state capture. Okay, aske sibuyele emuva sithi kuyidiscussa lento le ngoba nami I was part and parcel of those people who wanted him to be removed, and I actually felt that President Ramaphosa was going to be the a fit candidate ukuthi athathe over, and I was very happy ngesikhathi President Ramaphosa ethatha. And ngaleso sikhathi there were a lot of things and lesasiboniswa kuma TV na ku media how poorly performing was President Jacob Zuma, and we could see with our eyes the media was feeding us with that information, and we had information at our disposal, but asizange sisithathe isikhathi to say interrogate lo information. But asike sibuyele emuva ke ku 2019 2018 la President Zuma wayephethe khona compare senze nje few comparisons namanje. Ngo 2019 i-rand against dollar lale u14 rand, manje lo i-rand against dollar 18 rand. I-unemployment rate ngo 2019 yayihleli ku 29.18%, manje ihlele ku 32%. I-petrol price ngo 2019 petrol o 13 rand, manje u 21 rand. Isinkwa bread sasu 12 rand 48 ku 2019, manje so 18 rand 43 cent. Kukhona ama-rating companies esasinawo ke lapha sasiwanikeziwe. One of them kwakuthiwa i-Moody's. Yiyo le eyathatha i-South Africa ibeka kwi-junk status ngesikhathi sa-President Zuma because he was not performing. Junk status because he was not performing. When i-rand lalo 14 manje lo 18 rand. Ngesikhathi unemployment yayiku 29%, manje iku 32%. Ngesikhathi petrol ku 13 rand, manje petrol ku 21 rand. Rating company ethatha i-country ibeka ku junk status. Awuthi ke ngibuze ke, yini indaba lama rating companies enyamalele manje? Uma ucompare u2019 no 2024 2025 omuphi ongcono? Akuphi lama rating companies now? Where are they? So i-country ku junk status when the petrol price was lower. The country with junk status when unemployment rate beyingcono. Anyamalale kuphi lama rating agencies? Where are they? Asike sithathe i-corruption case President Zuma la kuthiwa i-state capture wa estimate ku 9 billion ye-state capture awaye corrupt ngayo President Zuma. And asikhumbule ukuthi he has not been found guilty, kodwa he is called a corrupt president. Today, ngikhuluma nawe, the person who had said imali yasetshenziswa ku-state capture was 9 billion, seshintshile uthi 9 million. 9 million. Usakhumbula ukuthi ngo-2020 uPresident Ramaphosa waboleka imali engango 5 billion nge-COVID, yanyamalala yonke. 5 billion. Who of you is calling President Ramaphosa a corrupt president? 5 billion. None. When you defend yourselves, Niti, he has not been found guilty of any corruption case. Ubani that has been found guilty of a corruption case? Lo yena any to corrupt owaqala kwathiwa ama billions estate capture, now with 9 million, has he been found guilty? Asimuve kancane siye case ni ka Duduzile. uDuduzile uchargwa ngokuthi wabhebhezela uDlame, wakhuluma izinto ezibhebhethela uDlame eSouth Africa, kwashitolo kwalutho. Use-court manje as we speak. uDuduzile is so powerful that controller the minds of the South Africans. But there is a precedent owayibhala phansi into ukuthi they must take care of the people baseMarikana, and they took care of those people bashona. He has never been taken to court. Yona, it is in writing. So uDuduzile is more powerful than the current president. Ukuthi yena anga convince abantu by saying something bavele bayenze. Lo ibhale phansi yena in a form of an email. He has done nothing wrong. Nizovuka nini? When are we going to wake up? Namanje la ngikhona ngiyazonda ukuthi we delayed the revolution. Savumela abantu badlala ngengqondo zethu. Ukuthi we did not support i-removal ya President Zuma in 2019. Ngabe sikude singabantu abamnyama na. Sovuka nini? Asebenzise zethu ingqondo. Why sivuma ukuchanelwa ngepropaganda? Why? Hayi ma South Africa, ngiyanibonga.